That's not bad. Got plenty of pep, I know that. Well, I'm not going to say larger port. It's about a 1/2 inch port. It's got 2 ports here. The Holzfforma 32-inch bar and chain. It's like 105 drive lengths, a standard wrap, and then have this in case I ever want it. It makes no sense to damage this one. Now, let me cut some more. I hope it's not out of gas that fast, because I didn't cut much and I just filled it up. That'd be discerning. It's out of gas. Holy cow.